Good morning, students. Welcome to English class 8. Today we start with prose. Lesson The Nose Jewel, written by Chakravarti Rajagopalacharya. About the author. Chakravarti Rajagopalacharya starts from 1878 to 1972. He was born in the village of Torapalli in Krishnagiri district. Rajagopalacharya was called as Rajaji. He was an Indian politician, independence activist, lawyer, writer, historian, and statesman. He was the last Governor General of India as India became a republic in 1950. He was served as leader of Indian National Congress, Premier of the Madras Presidency, Governor of West Bengal, Minister for Home Affairs of Indian Union and Chief Minister of Madras State. He also received first India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna. Now let's move on to the lesson, The Nose Jewel, which has written by such a great person, C. Rajagopalacharya. The main characters are Ramaya, Ramaya's wife, and two sparrows. Ramaya was a simple man living in the town. He lived with his wife in a nice house made of tiled roof. Tiled roof means a roof made of fired clay tiles. It's a protective covering that covers the top of the building. It keeps the house cool in winter and hot in summer. So he was not rich, but he could take care of his family. There were two sparrows who built a nest in a nice spot in the roof of Ramaya's house, and the mother bird laid her eggs in it. So now there is a conversation between the male sparrow and his wife. So what does the male sparrow says? He says, "Why does the lady of this house always quarrel with her husband?" The wife sparrow replies, "How do I know? Let us mind our own business." The male sparrow says, "You are always self-centered. Should we not help this poor Brahmaya?" For that, the female sparrow said with disdain. Disdain means feeling of contempt. "Let me see what help you can do for them." And added by saying that the cat should not come near our nest. That would be enough for us. One day, the male sparrow saw a diamond nose jewel in the musk heap. Musk heap means a pile of dung or some waste. As soon as the male sparrow saw the jewel, it picked it up with his beak and came back to the nest. After seeing the nose jewel, the wife bird replied, "What I will do with this diamond stud?" And she says, "To find some food for the young ones, as they are hungry." The male bird dropped the diamond stud on the floor and went out in search of little worms for the young ones. Ramaya's wife noticed the jewel as she was sweeping the floor. She picked it up with delight and wore it. Ramaya questioned her wife angrily, "How did you get this diamond stud?" She said, "I found it lying here yesterday and took it." That Ramaya said to hand over it to the village magistrate. Magistrate means village panchayat head or leader. "If tomorrow the police should come and search our house, it will be disgrace to us." In Meenakshi Ambal's house nearby, the talk went on. Meenakshi said that, "I forgot and left it in the bathroom. The Kuppai, the servant woman, must have swept it out. She is very careless." Now the mother, Meenakshi Ambal, consoled her little girl saying, "Let us search and find it. Don't tell to your father. He would go into a rage if he knew that you had lost the diamond nose stud." Meenakshi's father asked, "What is the secret you are whispering?" The loss of the jewel had to be admitted. Soon the whole village knew about it. The maid servant Kuppai was suspected by everyone to have stolen it. The police came and searched her hut. but could not find anything. Ramaya's heart was in a flutter. Flutter means to flap or fast heartbeat. Ramaya's wife has put the stud away in her box. She soon developed a severe fever and was confined to her bed. It means was in a very small space. No one thought of searching their house. Once again, there was a conversation between the sparrows. The male sparrow said, "Look at the fun, my dear. The lady of this house is scared, and she acts as she is suffering from fever." "Nice fun indeed," said the female sparrow. "The poor woman is in a panic. The fever may be the end of her." So the female sparrow blamed his husband. "As you brought and threw it here and tempted her." The male bird answered gravely, "Did I tell her to steal the thing? This is bound to happen when humans are being greedy." Rightly said, we should never be greedy for what belongs to others. "Come, let us go and bring some worms for the young ones," said the female sparrow, and they flew away. Ramaya and his wife spent the rest of life in fear of being caught. The diamond nose jewel may still with them, but the fear of getting caught was even more. So children, what we come to know at the end of the lesson is, greed is like filling a cup with hole at the bottom. It will never fill. So children, always be happy with the little you have. There are some people with nothing who still manage to smile. We should never be greedy. Okay children, let's meet soon in our next session. Till that, stay home, stay safe. Thank you children.